Hello friends, in this video I am going to explain about contour tool. How to use contour tool, when we use contour tool. Now see, actually if you edit this any design as per motif and also fill the colors in the as per the design, after that you want to apply outline for this design inside or outside. How you can apply? Again you don't do draw out for outline. Okay, that is waste of time. Okay, that's why we have a contour tool here. This tool, in this tool in this tool we have directions: left, right, top, bottom, and four corners. You can select the pixels, and you can give the size, and here you can see apply the single color or apply the all colors. And also the type of inserting contour tool, it means you can fill the outline in the motif or fill the outline in outside of motif. You can do both sides. Now we will see. And one more thing, as per scale you can give, because when you edit the design with read and pick, that is whatever it may be, after scaling the image you have to give the that ratio in this direction. Okay, if I give here, this is scale design. Now actually read is 152 and 58 pix per inch, ends per inch 152, pix per inch is 58. So I am going to give just outline for 2 pix. Okay, if I change this for 2 pix, I want to apply outline for outside for this orange color motif, and then I will select one color from the color palette. Okay, just I am coming and in the orange portion, and just I click here, so I can get the outline as per this. But you can see this is scale ratio, whatever it scale, you can see this is 2 pix. As per 2 pix is taken. I am zooming now. Just you see, I just change the color. Okay, now you can see easily. See here, this is 2 pix, but here you can see thickness of this hooks like warp, it is very less compared to pix. This is a very heavy. So this is the problem when you get when you apply in the scale design as per read and pick. So what you have to do is, just I am undoing this. I just okay, I just remove this color with fill. Okay, okay, now what we have to do is to to set the same thickness in warp side and web side. First you have to take the calculator and just divide the ratio, get the ratio as per 152 ends per inch divided by 28 pix per inch, 58, sorry, 58. What is the ratio? 2.6. okay, it means 1 pic is equal to 2.6 ends. It means, so I am taking here for outline contour 2 pix. I am just multiplying with 2. Whatever the ends is getting 5.2. I can take here 5. See, this is webbed and this is warp. I am just taking here 5 and 5. Hooks I am changing 5 by 5, and remaining places are I am leaving same. Okay, just now take the color and fill on the orange color. Now you can see this thickness and this thickness almost is same. Okay, when you apply in the scale of designs outline. Okay, see now this is 5 hooks and this is 2 picks. This is 5 warp ends and this is 2 picks. Okay, so and now this I am applied outside of motif. You can see how it's look. Okay, this is how. Now I want to just apply inside the motif. Just click here inside and change the color. Okay, in the maroon I am going to contour inside the motif. You can do outside or inside also. Sorry, select the color and just click on this. You can see this is outside and this is inside of motif. I'm just do out, undo. Now I am filling. You can see inside. You can get inside. This is how you can use the contour tool with options. If you don't have any scale, you just keep the same peaks and same hooks ends, and you can fill the outline. Okay, when we use this outline, if you make any heavy kind of fabrics like upholstery fabric, Chanel fabrics, we require to give the outline. In that designs you can easily apply after editing. Okay, this is very easy to apply outlines. Don't to you have to do at the corners just for sharpness, otherwise you no need to edit entire design for outline. This is very useful option to you can get the outline very easily and quickly. You can make design very easily. I hope you understand this tool. This is very common but very useful tool for making designs with you can save the time, more time to draw this outline. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and thank you so much.